Hey guys, I'm Shingo from Dekoni Audio, and finally, NAMM is back. It's great to be back here at the biggest show of the year in sunny Southern California. We're here with our premium ear pads and accessories for all of your favorite audiophile headphones. We're excited to see what our favorite manufacturers brought here to this year's NAMM show after a long delay. I'm excited. Let's go check it out.
Hey, this is Gary Boss, and we're here at NAMM 2022, and we're in the Audio Technica booth. And I just wanted to kind of give you a little tour of what we have and what we're showing. So over here you can see, obviously, we have our M series line of professional headphones, and that starts at the M20 and goes all the way up to the M70, and those are here for demo and listen. The other thing we're showcasing on is our wireless system. So we've had a wireless microphone and body pack system called the 3000 series for a couple years. And at this show, we're really happy to be introducing a new in-ear monitor system. And that's the 3000 series in-ear monitor system. It's a very cool system with very wide bandwidth, very easy to use and very cost effective, that comes with our ATH E40 in-ear monitors. Elsewhere in the booth, we have our live sound microphones featuring our Artist Series and Artist Elite vocal and instrument microphones. We have our studio products, which are our 40 series and 50 series line of professional studio microphones. And then we also have a lot of content creation featuring our 20 series and our new AT2040 podcast microphone. So that's kind of a little roll of what we got going in the booth, and thanks for stopping.
Hi, I'm Bryce. I'm with Audio Futures, partnered with Sony, and we're talking about 360 Reality Audio here at NAMM. 360 Reality Audio is a new experience that brings audio to you in an exciting way. Traditionally, audio has been presented inside your head. Left, right, and gain, or pan and gain have been kind of the two main parameters. We're laser focused on putting that audio experience in a kind of a spherical system around your head. So we're very excited to be back at NAMM this year. Missed it, and encourage you to come down and visit us at the Sony booth.
All right, good morning and welcome to Sunday morning at NAMM. I am Philippe De Palos, General Manager of Ultimate Ears, and I'm really excited to be back at NAMM after 2.5 years of no NAMM. Ultimate Ears makes in-ear monitor, basically those little devices. They are custom made, custom handcrafted. Take an ear impression, build the device, and that fits perfectly inside your ears. We've been doing this since 1995, and one of the leading providers in the industry. This year, we have decided to reinvent ourselves a little bit, and what we're showcasing is that in-ear monitor, but we have worked with DJs to actually integrate that as part of a DJ set. So we worked with several DJs and started to have them starting to use the product on stage as they're performing. One of the major advantages of in-ear monitoring is the ability to block the noise around on the stage. And as you know, DJs are exposed to loud noises night after night. So by wearing in-ears, if they use them properly, they will be able to shield that noise from the stage and therefore protect their hearings. So with an in-ear monitor, you hear everything very clearly, you protect yourself, and on top of that, you look good DJing on stage. So we're very excited to showcasing all that this year at NAMM.
Hey guys, this is Peter from Odyssey, and we're here at NAMM 2022 introducing our new headphone. This is the MM500 by Odyssey. We've made it in collaboration with 11-time Grammy Award winning mix engineer Manny Marroquin. He'll be here in our booth later today to help promote the headphone and do some interviews. And this headphone is designed from the ground up to be a studio tool that is basically a high-end recording studio you can take with you and work anywhere in the world. So it has probably our most accurate frequency response ever, combined with the great bass performance and low distortion that you get from our signature planar magnetic drivers and all of the patented Odyssey technologies that are packed into this. It's also a lot lighter than our previous headphones like the LCD-X. It gets that way by a number of different improvements we've made, including these machined aluminum parts here. So yeah, it's a great headphone to mix on, to listen to, and it's got all-day comfort, and it's available now for $16.99. Our first shipments are expected in August. Thanks a bunch.
Hi everyone, I'm Sylvain, the product manager working for Focal Pro Division. So we are here at the NAMM show and we are very proud because we have all the products over there with the Alpha Evo line, the Shape line, and we are very proud to announce the ST6 line with the new Solo 6, the new Twin 6 and the Sub 12, which is a big sub. Over there we have our headphones, so Utopia headphone, the KMG Professional headphone. There behind we have the big booth working for Dolby Atmos. So with the 7.1, 7.1.4 setup, working with 7 Trio 11 and 4 Trio 4 Solo 6 and 2 Sub 12. So we are very excited to be here, and I hope you guys will visit our booth.
Hey there, Mario here with Shure. Welcome to NAMM 2022. We're here at our content creation booth, so I'm going to walk you through what we're doing here, enjoying the beautiful Southern California sun. So in the content creation booth, we have a couple different things, both for mobile recording. We have our MV88 Plus stereo condenser microphone. We have our MV5C for conferencing. And then we also have our large diaphragm MV51 large diaphragm condenser microphone, great for the singer-songwriter. We also have some great microphones for podcasting. We have both our MV7, which is a hybrid microphone that's both XLR and USB, and then we have our MV7X, which is a XLR only podcast microphone. Both are great for untreated rooms, so you don't need to be an audio professor to get a great sound. They're designed for simple plug and play, and the MV7 will work directly with the free desktop app that will configure all the audio for you. So that's our entry-level podcasting stuff. Then over here we have our studio microphones. These are our side address condenser microphones, also our KSM 313 ribbon microphone, and then of course the SM7B, our premier broadcast microphone. So now let's talk about some headphones that we have here up front. First we have our SRH840A. These are great for any type of audio production situation, but primarily more for mixing, mastering, and a great headphone for the studio and a great headphone for monitoring. Then we also have our SRH440A, which I like to call our workhorse headphone. Great for tracking, great for any type of audio situation, any type of audio production project. So that's what we have here. Thanks again for stopping by. Again, my name is Mario. We're here at NAMM 2022 in beautiful Southern California. Thank you for stopping by. I hope everyone has a great day.
What's up, guys? I'm TJ here with Jerry Harvey Audio. We're here at the 2022 NAMM show. Happy to be back, and we have a lot of new stuff to share with everyone. One of the main things we're sharing this weekend is our brand new flagship IEM, the Sharona. It's a 16-driver, 4-way crossover IEM, brand new, unlike anything we've ever done before. And we're also unveiling 2 secret products. I'm not allowed to say it on the video, but if you're here, come by our booth, 11902. Come check us out. We have the brand new Sharona, and then we also have 2 brand new top secret items to share with you, maybe even a third. If you come by, you might get a sneak little demo back here with Jerry Harvey himself. So come check us out, Jerry Harvey Audio at booth 11902.
What's up, everybody? This is Tall from Lucid Audio, purveyors of Westwood Audio and Etymotic products. We are here at NAMM 2022 after a 2-year break due to a pandemic, but we are back in action, and we are here showing our latest and greatest Mach series from Westwood Audio. It is a collection actually of 8 different models, from a single driver up to an 8-driver. All of them have a different sound signature. All of them are suited to different things. We make them in a custom. We also make them in a universal. So if you're into customs, cool. If you're into universals, you just want to buy them, you can go and buy them and take them home and go and hit the stage.
How you doing? My name is Steve. I'm with Electro Voice, and I'm here at NAMM today celebrating the first time we're all back together here in 2 years. It's great to see familiar faces that I haven't seen. Great to hear live music. Great to see all the manufacturers, and especially really great to see the guys at Dekoni. Make sure you buy their stuff. Have a good day.
Hey Dekoni fans, I'm Dylan, the product manager at Dekoni Audio. We were super happy to see you all back at NAMM for 2022. We were also excited to see what some of our favorite manufacturers were showcasing this year at the show. Before we go, we wanted to talk to you about our latest project in the pipeline that we showcased to you guys at the show, our Dekoni Audio earpads for the Grado headphones. Our replacement earpads for the Grado headphones fall underneath the custom line, as they fit more into our unique line of earpads. It utilizes the salad bowl cups to give you the most ear room, comfort, and acoustic range. We offer 3 styles of materials for these replacement earpads, such as velour, sheepskin with velour interior, and fenestrated sheepskin with a velour interior. The fenestrated and velour materials offer enhanced comfort while maintaining the crisp, high-frequency content that you know and love from Grado. Our sheepskin earpads close off the acoustic space and increase the bass shelf for a sound signature you've probably never heard of from a pair of Grado headphones. And lastly, instead of using our easily compressible memory foam, we utilize the stiffer foam to maintain the salad bowl shape. It also helps with keeping a consistent sound signature due to having a regular fit. With all of that being said, head to our website if you're interested in checking out our replacement earpads for the Grado headphones and all of your other favorite audiophile cans. Thanks for watching.
That's a wrap from NAMM 2022. It's been a great show, great to see everybody, including the manufacturers and the attendees who came to our booth. Thank you so much. Be sure to follow us on our social media pages, and if you have any questions, don't forget to reach out to us at dekoniaudio.com. Until next time, I'm Shingo, signing off.